Hey guys, I'm back on Capitol Hill. Actually, I'm still here. The time is 2:28 and it is 52 degrees, so it is the same day. It's still February 18th. I was in the Pine video, sorry, or Pike video. God, can't talk here. I cut that one kind of short because it was looking like it was gonna rain. I felt a couple of raindrops, so I dipped into the honey hole and had a sandwich. And I did a quick little video on that. I'll probably put it in a short, but check this mural out. This is pretty cool. So I'll walk up Pine on this side of the street. And maybe I'll check out, oh, hold on a sec here.
I just love the idea of making an appointment when I can.
This is Linda's right here. This place is cool. I used to haunt this place when I was going to Seattle Central. Just right up there, across the street on the left. Yeah, that place is good. It's a good spot to hang out and meet up. You have the SIF cinema, the Egyptian. This place was shut down for the longest time. It was really cool too because they actually reopened it. SIF cinema. There we go. All right, so coming up here is that building they tore down, and I use that as the thumbnail in the video before this one. And you can see it now, that ghost sign I was talking about. Margaret School Expression and Dramatic Art. It's pretty awesome. A thing of the past. All right, let's cross the street here. All right, so now that I know it's not gonna dump all over me, not gonna rain, I'll probably try to spend a little more time kind of zigzagging down the side streets. So across the street is Cal Anderson Park, and if you look over there, there's like a mini skate park thing going down, which is kind of cool. They got a nice field there, and it's a fun spot to go chill and hang out after class. Molly Moons, you can smell that sugar in the air. It smells really good. It's really rich, really sweet. This place has a long line in the summertime. This place gets packed. So this place called Teto's over here. It says now open, but they got the windows all like blocked out, so I don't know what the situation is. It looks like they're still building it up, or haven't opened yet. But anyways, I'll give it a shot though when it opens up, and we'll see see how it compares to the Rancho Bravo. But yeah, once it gets up and going, I'll pop in here and check it out. Maybe do like a review or whatever. We'll see. So there's another side view of or from this angle of Cal Anderson Park. If this video ends up being really short, I might just swing through the park and do a quick walk through there. I forget, like, sometimes I don't walk down these side streets. So Like either there's something cool or there's just not a whole lot, because you have like businesses that are constantly being changed out, like opening and closing and this and that. But let's see here. Let's see what it looks like up here. I feel like there's a pizza place coming up here on 12th Avenue. I think there is. I haven't been there. I know the police station's up here, and you have this liquor store here up on the corner on the left. It looks janky on the outside, but you go in there, and this place is like loaded. They have all kinds of different booze in there, and a really good selection of single cans of beer, and they got good wine in there. They have all kinds of stuff. They have minis in there too, so if you want to pop in and get a mini when it's brisk outside, warm up a little bit, that's the spot to go to right there. It's been there for a long time as well. And it even has a, for those who are from Washington, that old liquor and wine sign. That's from when Washington State used to control the liquor here before it was privatized, the liquor and wine. So they kept that sign. But here's Seattle's finest, 12th Avenue Arts. That's been there a long time as well. Okay, cool. Yeah, I was right. Fat Tomato Pizza. I want to check this place out. I just ate a big fat sandwich from Honey Hole, so that's not happening today. But if they have single slices, I'll definitely pop in there. I don't know if they do, but that's for another day. So this place, Ramen Danbo, on the left here, there's like a huge line there sometimes. There's not one there right now, but I just took a look at there right now from across the street, and it's always packed in there. So they must be doing something right, but I haven't been in there. So the Cuff is a leather bar. Been here since '93.
We usually average around 25 to 28%.
Well, check this mural out. That's really cool. Wow, that's new. I mean, even it looks pretty fresh too. The paint and everything. It actually has like real like lights on it. What the? Wow, that is really cool. Alright, I'm gonna turn back around. I'm coming back up to actual Pike where I started, or not where I started, but where I came up to where the Elysian was at. Alright, I'm gonna turn around, pause the video, and go hit up Cal Anderson Park and show you guys that, because this actually went really fast. Alright, so I'm coming back to 12th Avenue, heading back, getting close to Cal Anderson Park. Across the street here. Another angle of the liquor store, liquor and wine over here. Alright, so that building over there that says for lease, I've seen this place change out so many times. I don't even remember what it was like before shutting down. Damn. So right here in front of this fire hydrant, there's a place called Bulldog. It's like a hot dog stand. And the springtime is when they open up, so it's like a seasonal thing. But you can pop over and grab a dog. I think they have other options too. I don't know if they do I think they do like a cream cheese dog too. But yeah, it's nice to grab one of those and post up on this little concrete right here and smash a dog and drink a beer. All right, so this is the field right here. Pretty cool. It's always nice coming out here like in the evening when they have all the lights on. You can see people out here playing soccer. So it's nice and quiet out here. During the summertime, this place gets packed. So this is a nice little kind of a loop right here on the whole entire park. I like these trees right here in the fall. They have no branches and they're all like all gnarled and looking. It's pretty cool. Got this playground up here. I decided, what do I do with the fork in the road? I'll go left so you guys can see that sculpture over there, or that rain water like setup thing. But check these trees out, the peeled bark. I don't know if these are madronas. I don't think they are, but that bark though looks really cool. Anyways. So this is a pretty nice wide open area right here. I'm gonna post up and sit down real quick and do like a quick pan of it so you guys can see the whole entire field. All right, check it out. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, I'll walk over. I'm not gonna do the entire loop. I'll just cut right through here, and you guys can see the this water setup. In the summertime, they had the water running, and got people hanging out, just enjoying the day in the summertime out here. It's actually warmed up considerably. Actually getting really warm. Wow. Where did it change from last week? All those below 30 temperatures we had, which are, for this area, is cold. I mean, it's not that bad, but for those who are, from here or haven't, really experienced like climates that are a lot more severe than out here, yeah, it can be kind of uncomfortable. But there's that though. You could see it, this area. Yeah, this was fun hanging out here when I was going to school. I'm gonna cut left here and Alright, now, once I get to the end here, I'll probably wrap the video up. You know, it's hilarious how you have this whole entire bench, not the bench, but of all these, of all the places to leave your garbage, your litter, there's, oh God, Bud Ice. That shit is disgusting. But yeah, and there's a trash can, a recycle can right over here. Put it in the trash can where it belongs. It gets old, honestly. Clean up after yourself. Come on. Alright, so I'm coming up to that little skate park action over here. They actually built a quarter pipe down over here. So I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't film it in the last video I did. Anyways, I walked past it and I saw it. And before that, this place is, I don't know, it's kind of like, I mean, they're modular. So before that, there was like this, I don't know, like dudes on pixies. I don't know if it was like if they're playing croquet. I don't know exactly what they were doing, but that was kind of popular like a decade ago. A lot of hipsters out here. Longer than that, actually, more like 13, 14 years ago. The hipster scene was strong out here. Not so much anymore. But I got the tennis court over here. Kind of see a different view from this side. But I'll film some of these ramps right here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. That's some boxes, some ramps, like a little spine over here. All right. And there's another view of the city right there that wasn't there before because they tore that building down. And probably gonna call it good. Yeah, that's gonna do it. Alright guys, until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.